I'm John Barker, aka your grandma's favorite pitmaster, aka the Tri-Tip Titan, and today we are not in the Skull and Mortar kitchen. We're camping again because that's how I'm making all of my videos now, just by campfire. Not really though, because I have a portable smoker. Anyway, after my last Tri-Tip video, Porter Road contacted me because of the poultry state of my one-grained Tri-Tip, and they sent me this bad boy right here. A dry-aged, pasture-raised, with no added hormones or antibiotics Tri-Tip. Look at this bad boy. Guys, obviously high quality meat is extremely important in what I do for a living. Now check out this Tri-Tip. Look at the marbling, the fat all the way through. You can see both grains in this bad boy, a nice little fat cap. Porter Road supplied this Tri-Tip. They're an online butcher shop that sends high quality meat directly to your door. Now for such a high quality cut of meat, we're only going to use the high quality rubs, and we're going to start with our Gravestones rub at skullandmortar.com. We're going to use this because it's a great mix of salt, pepper, garlic, those things that pull out the delicious flavors in the beef, plus some additives that make it a little bit spicy. We're going to flip it over. We're going to start with the fat cap, and we're going to go ahead and give it a nice dusting here. This is going to be the primary flavor component of our rub. Now you want to make sure that you hit all the sides, the front, the back, all the sides with this rub. We want to get the flavor on every square inch of this thing. You can smell the dry age on this meat. It smells awesome. Now I don't have a hot barbecue rub, so I'm going to go ahead and use Killer Hog's hot barbecue rub. You can get that over at howtobarbecueright.com. Everybody knows I'm a mark for Malcolm. Now this rub is going to help give it just a deep red, nice color to the bark. And it's going to help pull out some of the natural flavors that we have locked in with that 14-day dry age. Now before we flip this over, we're going to go ahead and hit our final layer of rub here, and we are going to use some of that God Save the Queen. That's from skullandmortar.com, and what we're going to use that for is to create a nice texture with pops of flavor all over the outside of this meat. It's like the icing on the cake. Now again, it's important, you want to get a good coverage on all sides. Now if you've watched a lot of my videos, you know that I don't typically use a binder. You can use a binder here if you prefer. If you do so, I would suggest that you use like an oil versus mustard or hot sauce, but again, feel free to do whatever you want. Now we're going to go back over this side with the Gravestones. We're going to hit it with that hot barbecue rub from Killer Hogs at How to Barbecue Right, and we're going to hit it with that God Save the Queen. Now guys, we're going to go ahead and throw our Tri-Tip on our portable pellet smoker set at 250 degrees directly on the grate. We're looking for an internal temperature of 130 degrees. I think it'll take about an hour. Now, if you want to cook yours more well done, just let it go longer. If you want to cook it less, then go ahead and pull it sooner. It's not rocket science, guys. Now this is our Tri-Tip after 1 hour. It's looking phenomenal. I couldn't be happier with how it looks. You see we got all that great texture on there, the colors, the rubs. It's looking fantastic. So we've cranked our pellet smoker up to 500 degrees. Now I do make a mistake right here. I didn't open the diffuser on this bad boy so that we would get some actual flame through there. So that is going to affect my sear a little bit. I apologize. I've been real sick, guys, but I'm still trying to crank these videos out. So go ahead and lock that back down, and we're just going to give it about 2.5 minutes. Then we're going to flip it all the way over. Look at those grill marks. Looking fantastic. And we're going to give it another 2.5 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and pull it straight off the smoker. Did realize my mistake and popped it open a little bit there and got some of that flame kiss like I was looking for, but I didn't get quite as much as I wanted to because I didn't want to overcook my Tri-Tip. But that bad boy is looking beautiful. We didn't quite get the grill marks we wanted, but it's a nice looking Tri-Tip. Now as we slice into it, some of these end pieces are a little more towards well done, which is cool because I'm trying to feed some people who want some more well done bites. But look at this thing, man. It's juicy. Even the more cooked parts. And that probably has to do with the fact that Porter Road only works with the most trusted farmers who treat their animals as humanely as possible, so it's as cruelty-free as possible. It's important we respect the animals that feed us and sustain us, right? So check out this meat. It's so juicy. I'm going to give it a bite. God, it's amazing. Look at that. Sick as hell, overweight, and loving that food. Burning my mouth. It's all good though, guys. I'm loving life right here. So check out porterroad.com again. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video. Get high quality meat directly at porterroad.com. Hand cut. Shop like you would at the grocery store. If you like this video, smash the like button. Don't forget that the grain changes in the tri-tip. Cut with the grain. Don't cut with it. Who cares? Do it however you want. But we'll see you next week with a brand new video. Look at this. Come on now, look at it. I'm just gonna kiss it before. Look at it. I shouldn't have said that. That's embarrassing.